Hi, my name is Lakbir Singh. I'm from Calgary, Canada, and I'm coming here for done my hair transplant. My friend Cam recommended me for hair transplant. Dr. Art, he is doing very good job, and I done my surgery yesterday. Right now, I'm feeling very good.
How was your experience, your communication between the contact person, doctor, and about the medical stuff?
Yeah, the experience. First of all, I was just little scared about the because I didn't see this type of hair transfer. But in the beginning, is little pain. But after that, you didn't nothing recognize. It's a very good.
What was your motivation for hair transplants? And would you recommend anyone who is looking forward to get it done?
I also like come here and see the doctor, and this is very good. Like somebody didn't have a hair, he can come here. They doing good job. Their staff is very friendly.
Would you recommend Dr. to anyone who is considering a hair transplant? And if you would, why would you recommend it?
Yeah, yeah. Of course, I will recommend it to my friends also, because with the hairs, man looks handsome. The when I came here, I see every staff. They did a really good job, and I also recommend my friends and family to come here, visit here, and did the treatment.
Okay, thank you so much
Thank you.
for your great interview, and thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for your honest
Thank you.
answers and everything. It was
Thank you.
amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.